Assalamualaikum, everyone. I hope you're all doing well. I'm Mohammed Cameron, your co-trainer, examination officer. Welcome back to PDQ Connect. In our previous videos, we covered the basics. Today, we're moving on to Step 3, Mastering Your ePortfolio, Part 1. First, go to learning.cambridgeinternational.org and log in with your user ID and password. In our previous session, we saw how to create ePortfolio. If you had any trouble with that, please watch the previous videos. The links are in the description. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your online learning dashboard. From here, click on the PDQ Connect tile to enter PDQ Connect. The first tile, as we know, is Create to create ePortfolio. The Submit tile will be used later when it's time to submit your portfolio. Third tile is Help. Leave both tiles for future. Now, let's dive into your portfolio. Click on the provided link to get started. You'll be taken to the first page of your ePortfolio, which is the Portfolio Overview. On the left-hand side, you'll see navigation links for the different pages of your portfolio. The last box is the declaration form, which will be filled out by the program leader at the time of submission, so no worries for candidates at this point. In our previous video, we learned everything about this page. So let's move on to the next page, Unit 1. Click on the link to open the Unit 1 page. The page is currently blank, displaying only the portfolio navigation links. This page will act as a canvas where everyone can create their portfolio, showcasing their learning, insights, and analysis while making it visually engaging through their work. You'll be working on Unit 1, Unit 2, and Unit 3 over the next 5 months. Let's start with Unit 1. To edit this page, 1. On the right side, locate the small pencil icon, which represents the Edit button. Click it to enter Edit mode. 2. Once in Edit mode, a pencil icon will appear on each section, allowing you to edit them individually. To create new blocks, 1. On the right side, click the plus sign icon. A pop-up window will appear. 2. Choose whether you want the new block to appear at the top or bottom of the existing content. 3. Select the desired position, then click the Add button. The available options are based on your portfolio requirements, such as text, image, files, video, and PDF. You can upload content that includes your learnings, analysis, reflections, and any other relevant work you wish to include here. First, we need to change the placeholder name, for example, to Evidence of Learning. This will always be written using the text option. Since the EOL has a specified word limit, we can use this option to automatically calculate the word count as we type. Let's test this option by writing a sample text. Once you're done, you can save your work using the button at the bottom. At the top, you'll find various formatting options similar to MS Word, allowing you to add images, bullet points, bold headings, and more. After saving, a new block will appear on the page. You will see a word count, which helps you adjust your text within the limit set by Cambridge. On the right side, click on the monitor icon to exit edit mode. If you want to add more content, simply return to edit mode and enter the required text. You can repeat this process as many times as needed. After each edit, make sure to save your work. Now, your Unit 1 page will display the updated block of Evidence of Learning. You can resize and drag the block to any position you prefer. Get ready to add a new block for new content, such as a PDF. For example, let's say we have a job description form using the Cambridge template. Upload this form to your portfolio page using the PDF option. Once uploaded, the PDF file will appear in a readable format on the page. That's all for today. Complete your Unit 1 by following the steps in the video. We will be back soon with the next video. The next video is very important and will cover key guidelines for ePortfolio creation, ensuring a smooth ePortfolio journey, tips for success, and data security. Step 4. Mastering your ePortfolio Part 2 will be shared later. The highlights of the Step 4 video are the difference between uploading in Word or PDF format, how to upload images, videos, and other media types, how to organize content blocks efficiently, tips for optimizing your ePortfolio layout for better readability. We will also cover important information for program leaders. Don't forget to click the bell icon and be sure to like, subscribe, and share.